Hey everybody, welcome back to DC Outdoors. It's mid-May 2025 and I'm out chasing some stocked trout. Stick around for this week's outdoor adventure. This is your source for weekly outdoor adventure videos, gear reviews, and other outdoor related stuff. If you're new here, please hit that like, subscribe, and the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. Well, let's get fishing. Like I mentioned off the hop, it's mid-May 2025 and I'm on a quick little after-work fishing trip. I was out here a few weeks ago, guys, got totally skunked, but I gotta thank a channel, the Fishin' Fin. Lance from the Fishin' Fin gave me some tips to try some slip bobbers. So I'm gonna include a link to his video above me showing you how to rig up those slip bobbers. But yeah, there's trouts of all different species in here. So we're hoping to get some luck. Only got a few hours to go, and yeah, like I said, would love to get some trout revenge here. So. Fish on! Ah, got off. Got off. Let's see my bite. Let's go. Let's get him. Had another bite. They're out here. See, I'm jumping everywhere. I've had 2 bites already. One I hooked up for a little bit, but I couldn't bring him in all the rest of the way. And the other one spat off quick, but they're jumping. We got one. Tiny little guy. Maybe it's a tiger, I don't even know. Let's wet our hands. Not skunked. Come here, buddy. Tiniest little fish. Got one, guys. Right through the lens. Thank you. We got one. Woohoo! Fish home, baby. Let's send him home. There we go. Might have to edit out my butt. Left the bait too. I was gonna make that my last cast, but I might try one more time. Fish on. Oh, that's a nice rainbow. There we go. Well, that's a good one. Let's get him off. Good job. Alright everybody, as you can see, we're back here at the truck, ready to get going. I guess it's 7:30 already, so burned a couple hours like nothing. But I'm happy that I caught a few fish. That was great. I think we got 3. A couple other bites other than that, so things were clicking for us, which was awesome. It was nice to get a little bit of revenge. Once again, I want to say thank you to Lance from the Fishin' Fin for some of the just advice and suggestions that you've given me here over the last few weeks. Really appreciate you. For everybody who watched and made it this far, I do want to thank everybody who stuck around this far to watch this video. And anybody new, please hit that like and the subscribe and the bell notification button. A lot of people don't realize subscribing is absolutely free, but it helps you out because you'll get alerts when I release new videos. And for me, what that'll do is it just helps me grow my channel. So yeah, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And yeah, I guess I'll wrap this one up here. And yeah, until next time, we'll see you outdoors. We'll be back soon with our next camping, hunting, or fishing adventure. Until then, click subscribe below and check out these videos.